When you zoom way in on a photo in Photoshop, you may notice annoying pixel grid lines appear. These lines go across every pixel in your image. While it can be subjective for most people, they can make it hard to see shapes and lines when editing. Luckily, it is easy to turn the pixel grid off, and in this video I will show you how. First, open the photo you want to edit in Photoshop. Once done, zoom in several times until you start seeing the pixel grid lines on the image. For example, try zooming to 1000 times or more. Now, the grid probably looks distracting. Here is how to make the grid go away. First, click on the view on the top menu in the Photoshop. This will open a drop-down menu. Next, move your mouse down to the Show option. Click on it to open another menu. Finally, look for the choice called Pixel Grid. Make sure there is no check mark next to it. If there was a check mark next to the pixel grid, it meant the grid view was turned on. By unchecking this setting, you tell Photoshop to stop showing the pixel grid on a zoomed in images. Now, when you zoom way in, the pixel grid lines should be gone. So, now you can see your photo without the distraction of grids. In my opinion, the pixel grid can be handy if you want to edit individual pixels, but most of the time it just makes images harder to work on. So when it starts bugging you, simply turn it off under the View menu. Remember, you can zoom in as close as you want after disabling the grid. I hope this quick tutorial helped you learn how to remove the pixel grid in Photoshop. Now you can zoom into your photo and see it clearly. Let me know if you have any other Photoshop questions. I'm happy to help explain techniques in simple ways. Editing photos can be complicated, but often there are easy solutions to issues that come up.